In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos in Sora 2, a comprehensive guide that will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're new to AI video creation or looking for some pointers to perfect your skills, you've come to the right place. To start, you'll first need to think about what you want your video to convey. This is a crucial step because it lays the foundation for the entire video. Once you have a clear idea, go ahead and type your prompt into Sora 2. This prompt could be a script that you've crafted or specific AI instructions that detail what you'd like the end result to be. The clearer and more detailed your input, the more precise and tailored the output will become. Next, it's time to decide on the format of your video. Sora 2 offers flexibility here as you can choose between landscape and portrait formats depending on the platform or purpose of your video. If you're looking to upload this to a platform like YouTube, a landscape format might be your best bet, whereas a portrait format works wonders for platforms like Instagram. Additionally, here you have the option, if desired, to upload an image that could serve as a backdrop or complement your video, giving it a more personalized touch. With your prompt set and your video format chosen, it's now time to generate your video. This is where the magic truly happens. You just need to click on the Create button and sit tight as Sora 2 works its AI magic to render your video. This process does all the heavy lifting for you. Depending on the complexity and length of the video, rendering might take a little while, so patience is key here. The time you take in this step ensures a professional and polished output worthy of sharing. And there you have it. In only 3 steps, your AI-powered video is brought to life, ready for you to review and share with the world. Remember, the more you experiment with different prompts, formats, and images, the better you'll get at creating diverse videos tailored to different needs. Video creation with AI technology like Sora 2 offers endless possibilities and is a powerful tool for storytellers and marketers alike. So give it a try, have fun, and let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to experiment with all the options at your disposal and create something unique. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through our other available channels. Until next time, happy video creating.